Ellen Fraser from Living Your Best Life at 60, and today I'm going to be making lemon coffee cake. We have a lemon tree and it's full of lemons, so we're going to make lemon coffee cake today. We're going to need 3½ cups of flour, 1 3/4 cups of sugar, 2/3 cup plus 5 tablespoons of butter, a 1/4 teaspoon of salt, a 1/2 cup of Greek yogurt. You can use sour cream, 3 lemons to make lemon zest and lemon juice, 2 tablespoons of brown sugar, 3 eggs at room temperature, 1½ cups of powdered sugar, 1½ teaspoons of baking powder, 1/2 teaspoon of baking soda, 2 teaspoons of vanilla, and a 1/4 cup of milk. So let's get started. We're going to heat our oven to 350 degrees and lightly butter our pan. Okay, we're going to set our pan aside and start working on our crumble. We're going to take our 5 tablespoons of butter and put them in the microwave to melt them. We're going to start by making our crumble. We're going to take a cup of our flour, add in a 1/2 cup of our sugar, 2 tablespoons of brown sugar, I'm going to mix this together, and I'm using a fork, it's just easier for me. And we're going to add in our 5 tablespoons of melted butter. And we're going to mix this together. We're going to set this aside and work on our batter. We need 3 tablespoons of lemon zest, so I've washed these 2 lemons really well, and I'm going to use my cheese grater to make my zest. It smells so good. We're going to whisk together 2½ cups of flour, 1½ teaspoons baking powder, and a 1/2 teaspoon of baking soda, 1/4 teaspoon of salt. We're going to set this aside and work on our wet ingredients. In a large bowl, we're going to mix together our 2/3 cup butter, 1 1/4 cup sugar, and our 3 tablespoons of lemon zest. We're going to mix this on low. Even this mixture looks good. We're going to add in 2 teaspoons of vanilla and mix this for a minute. And now we're going to beat in 1 egg at a time. We're going to pour in our 3 tablespoons of lemon juice, freshly squeezed, and our 1/2 cup of Greek yogurt. We're going to add in 1/2 of our flour mixture. Mix that in. We're going to add in our 1/4 cup of milk. And now the remainder of our flour mixture. We're going to mix this till the ingredients are completely combined. It's time to put our batter into our pan. We're going to spread our batter evenly across our pan. We're going to take our crumble and spread it evenly on top of our batter. And pat it down just a little bit so it sticks to our batter and cooks into it. It's time to put our lemon coffee cake into the oven. We're going to bake this for 35 minutes at 350 degrees. I've taken our lemon coffee cake out of the oven and look at this. It looks and smells delicious. I want to mention that it's really important to check for doneness at 35 minutes. I had to add 10 minutes to mine to get the center completely cooked. We're going to let this cool inside the pan. While our coffee cake is cooling, we're going to make our lemon glaze. I'm going to start with 1 cup of our powdered sugar, and I'm going to add 1 tablespoon of lemon juice at a time to get the consistency that we want. Just going to stir that in. And remember, when you're making glaze, you have to be really patient. It takes a little bit of time for it to dissolve. I'm going to add a little more lemon juice. And that is definitely not the consistency I want, nor is it the volume I want. I probably want a little more glaze than this. So I'm going to add a spoonful of the powdered sugar that I have and another tablespoon of lemon juice. This is looking really good. This is about the consistency I like. If you like yours thinner, you can add more lemon juice, and if you'd like it thicker, you can add more of your powdered sugar. But I'm going to stick with this. This looks pretty good to me. Okay, I'm going to set this aside until our coffee cake is completely cooled. Our lemon coffee cake is now cooled, so we're going to put our drizzle on. And I'm just going to put it on in lines across my cake. This looks so delicious. You can add more glaze or less glaze. You just do it according to how you like it. Our lemon coffee cake looks spectacular. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please like and subscribe. Thank you for cooking with me.